Hi guys, my name is Bas and welcome to episode 13 of my RStudio tutorial videos here on YouTube. First of all, if this video is helpful to you in any way, shape or form, then please leave a like on this video and furthermore subscribe to this YouTube channel. I want to make this channel grow as much as possible. I want to reach the 1,000 subscribers, so please, if I help you, you can help me by clicking on the subscribe button. Okay, so we're gonna have a look today at the one sample t-test. And if you're wondering what is a one sample t-test, it means that you compare the mean of your sample to the population mean. So you want to know, for example, what we're gonna do today. I'll show you guys. First, we're gonna install a package which is called the tidyverse. So you type in library and then tidyverse. If you haven't installed this package already, then you should watch episode 1 of my R tutorials on how to do that. And then Ctrl Enter. And then you've opened the package. And then we're gonna view the Star Wars dataset, because that's the dataset we'll be using. And we can see that there's the height, so the height variable. For all these Star Wars characters, there's the height variables, all these heights. And what we want to know if the sample mean, so the mean of height, is different to the population average of 160. So we've got all these numbers, they have an average, so they have a mean, and we want to know if this mean is different from the population mean being 160. So how do we do that? Well, it's actually really easy. You type t-test, and then for the variable Star Wars, and then $sign height, and then a comma, and then mu, which is the population mean, which we want to compare to, is 160 in this case. And then you press Ctrl Enter. And then if you look at the bottom in your console screen, you can see that the mean of this sample is 174. And and we want to know whether that's significantly different to the population mean of 160. And then we look at the t-test values. We can see t is 3.72, the degrees of freedom is 80, and the p-value, so therefore the most significant value, is 0.00003. So that means that we can reject the null hypothesis and we can accept the alternative hypothesis. So this means that indeed this sample mean is significantly different from the population mean of 160. It's in this case significantly higher. So once more, the sample mean of 174 is significantly higher than the population mean of 160 centimeters. Okay, so that's how you can carry out a one sample t-test here in R, and how you can interpret the results. I hope this was helpful to you. If it was, then please press that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Ciao!